Hello and welcome back to this virtual workshop series covering essential career tools for early childhood educators presented by the Office of Career Services. In segment 5, we will be concluding our information on cover letter writing. Today, we will discuss personalizing cover letters for each application, be addressing common cover letter mistakes, and lastly, we will review sample teacher cover letters. Personalizing a cover letter for an early childhood education teacher involves tailoring the content to showcase specific qualifications, experiences, and qualities that align with the position's needs. Here are a few ways to accomplish this along. 1. You'll want to mention specific accomplishments or projects. For example, I am proud to have developed and implemented a comprehensive curriculum that integrated hands on learning experiences, fostering creativity and promoting social emotional development. Through this initiative, I observed a significant improvement in students' cognitive abilities and overall engagement. 2. You'll want to address the needs of the specific institution. For example, I was thrilled to learn of the innovative teaching methods employed at ABC Early Learning Center. As an advocate for play-based learning approaches, I have successfully utilized Reggio Emilia's principles to create a dynamic and inclusive learning environment. I am excited to contribute to ABC's commitment to child-centered education. 3. We want to highlight relevant certifications or specialized training. For example, with my recent certification in special education, I possess the knowledge and skills necessary to address the diverse needs of students effectively. I have successfully implemented individualized education plans, IEPs, to support students with learning disabilities and collaborate with a multidisciplinary team to ensure optimal learning outcomes. 4. You'll want to personalize the opening paragraph. For example, from my own experience as a child, I recognize the profound impact that passionate earlier childhood educators can have on shaping young minds. It is with great enthusiasm that I submit my application for the position of early childhood education teacher at XYZ school. I am eager to contribute my expertise and dedication to fostering and nurturing and stimulating learning environment. Remember, the goal is to showcase your unique skills, experiences, and passion for the early childhood education, making a strong case for why you are the ideal candidate for the position. Some common mistakes that you want to avoid when drafting your cover letter. 1. Generic and impersonal openings. Avoid starting your cover letter with phrases like to whom it may concern or I am writing to apply for the position. Instead, try to address the hiring manager by name or use a more personalized introduction that reflects your genuine interest in the company and position. 2. Repeating your resume. Your cover letter should complement, not repeat, your resume. Avoid simply restating your qualifications and work experience. Instead, use the cover letter to highlight specific accomplishments and experiences that are relevant to the job you're applying for. 3. Focus on what you want. While it's important to convey your enthusiasm for the position, avoid making the cover letter solely about what you want from the job. Instead, focus on how your skills and experience can benefit the company and help them achieve their goals. 4. Being too long or too vague. A cover letter should be concise and focused, usually no more than 1 page. Avoid including unnecessary details or being too vague about your accomplishments. Be specific about how you can add value to the company. 5. Grammatical and spelling errors. Carefully proofread your cover letter to avoid any grammatical or spelling mistakes. These errors can make you appear careless and unprofessional. 6. Failing to customize the letter. Avoid using a generic cover letter for every job application. Instead, Tailor your cover letter to the specific job and company, demonstrating your understanding of their needs and how you can meet them. Lastly, by avoiding these common mistakes and taking the time to craft a personalized, well written cover letter, you can make a much stronger impression on potential employers and increase your chances of landing the job. Now we will review sample cover letters specifically for early childhood educators. As you can see here, we include our contact information, our name, the employer's contact information, as well as the date of submission for the cover letter. Then you will have your opening, your first paragraph. Then you will start explaining why you are an ideal candidate in the body paragraphs. Then you will close with reiterating your enthusiasm and expressing the opportunity for coming in for an interview to discuss your skills further, and then leaving contact information. So here is another design as well for a cover letter. And here are two other examples as well that just show a different type of design and style, incorporating a little bit of color and formatting, different formatting than the standard. Should you like to follow up with the Office of Career Services to discuss your cover letter or resume, please feel free to come visit us. Our office is open Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. We are located in the C building on the third floor in room C 3311. Please take advantage of reaching out to us to schedule an appointment or to just inquire about other resources we have available. You can also visit our website as well. Thank you.